Okay guys, so we all know that Kanye West wears some crazy shit, right? We know he wears some crazy shoes, and a while ago I made a video on his latest crazy sneaker option, which was the Balenciaga Expander. So what has Kanye been up to? Has he been, doing anything different? Has he been wearing anything crazier? Yes, he has. So guess what? I went out and I bought him. Oh, what are you doing, Meg? Okay, so here is the box. Alright, I gotta get this upstairs. Okay, that just looks lame. So, here is the box, guys. It is huge. So I guess we're gonna have to deal with this super wide angle to try and show you guys what's in here. So, I've got... where's my knife? Let's get into this box. Let's see how crazy this sneaker is. Damn, you get a bunch of wrapping in here. See if I could show you inside. The box ain't even all that. Oh, okay, yeah, maybe they are. Okay, shit. It's still going. There's the box. Let's get that over there. This is the box. Equally as huge. What do we got inside? And I don't know if I'm ready for this, bruh. Okay, they're in little bags. They're super light. I will say that. They are super light. A lot lighter than I thought they'd be. What the fuck? This is essentially, if anybody in the UK, you know what I'm talking about when I say this is a Wellington boot. Farmers wear when they're, they're milking the cows, they're tending to the pastures. That's what this is. Kanye wore them for ages, so they must be comfortable. But we gotta figure out, like, what to wear them with. We have to put an outfit together. I don't know if you can see, but I think that's pretty close. We need a jacket. We need a jacket. Get a jacket on. Looking straight crazy in these things, man. I need a mask. Alright, so obviously we need some Kanye accessories. So we got the gloves. I'm gonna chuck those on. We got some sunglasses. And then, of course, we got the mask. This is probably a terrible video idea, but, we try. I don't even remember what he looked like. We going like that? Why not? Right, we don't have the Apple ones, but this will be good enough. Now I can't hear anything.
Yes.
Hey Meg?
Yes.
What you doing?
About to make myself some breakfast.
Could you come upstairs and check this out quick?
Yeah.
It's just an outfit for a YouTube video. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm coming.
What you think?
You look crazy.
Do I look like Kanye though?
Don't know about Kanye.
What you mean?
Maybe not with those glasses.
Okay, what, without them?
Wait, I just realised what you're wearing. What the hell? I thought you had,
Well, you didn't see the boots?
for some reason I thought you had your boots on that you bought the other day. What the fuck?
Trying to get a reaction out of you. That was the lamest reaction ever. You didn't even fucking see the boots?
Well, you're just all blending in. You look like a crazy farmer.
Alright, well I'm cutting this shit off. That was a terrible reaction. Okay, well that video idea went down in flames. So, here they are guys. Balenciaga and Crocs. This is a Balenciaga Crocs collaboration. They are huge. Now, of course, Kanye has to be in the center of this, being the person, I guess, who kind of made this super popular, or as popular as it is. Now, not only that, but I think that this is becoming a trend. Like, I guess what I'm trying to say is super crazy high big boots is becoming a trend. Like, take some of the boots from Yeezy. Like, Yeezy has done the insulated boot. That thing is insane. Of course, the knit runner boot. That thing is also insane. We're starting to see more and more brands just adopt this crazy boot, just being huge, looking like a moon boot. And this has got to be one of the ones that I just had to try and check out and just see for myself, what is this shoe all about? Well, to start off, this thing retails at £500. £200. And at first you may think, oh, it's Balenciaga. That doesn't actually even seem too bad because a lot of their shoes are like thousands. But keep in mind, this is literally just a one-piece kind of shell of rubber. That's all this is. Everything up here, it's just rubber. This whole base, it's all rubber. And to top it all off, if you want to go out and buy these things, it's not as easy as just clicking buy it now. These are actually pretty much sold out everywhere. A couple different retailers who have these in stock, but it was pretty hard to find. Okay, so why is Kanye wearing these? Now, with the news of Yeezy, Gap, and Balenciaga all collaborating on a upcoming collection which is dropping this year, it kind of seems like, you know, Kanye's trying to put Balenciaga on his body more and more and more to, I guess, maybe bring them up a little bit to kind of promote this collaboration. So what did I realize by buying these and wearing them? Well, first I've realized that my girlfriend's not going to react to me wearing them. Do I look like Kanye though?
Don't know about Kanye.
I also learned that these things are relatively comfortable. Like, you've got a lot of space in the shoe. Like, they almost feel like they don't fit to some degree because there's so much room. It's fun, and I love checking out crazy shoes that just have like this fun aspect. It's like, you know, Balenciaga doesn't take themselves too seriously, and I kind of like that about the entire brand. Now, at the same time, they are charging extortionate prices. Would I pay 500? I mean, I guess I did pay 500, but would I pay 500 if I couldn't come on here and make a video about them? Probably not. I don't know, guys. I just feel like I've always really enjoyed the side of sneakers that is just insane, you know? Like, of course, we get the run-of-the-mill stuff that we all know that we like, you know, Jordan 1s and a lot of the regular Yeezy sneakers, but whenever I see something crazy, like, especially from Balenciaga, or like there's some other brands like Li Ning does some really crazy stuff, Yeezy brand does a lot of crazy stuff as well, I just feel like I want to check it out. I want to know what these crazy designs are all about, if there's something that's practical or are they just so insane that they've gone past the point of practicality. Hopefully I get a reaction from you guys. Let me know how crazy you think these are. Let me know if you like them. Is this something you were into? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. But either way, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. This is the Balenciaga Crocs collaboration. It's definitely been fun checking these out. Hopefully you guys agree. But thank you so much for coming through and hanging out like usual. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.